Subject Civics Revision for Standard 6 Part 2 Diversity in Society. So children, today we are going to revise lesson number 2 of Civics, Diversity in Society. Okay. Again, what does diversity mean? It means understanding that each individual is unique. Recognizing our individual difference, there can be also dimensions of race, gender, economic status, physical abilities, religious belief, and other ideologies. There are many languages, religions, culture, custom, and tradition in India. We speak different languages such as Marathi, Telugu, Bengali, Hindi, Gujarati, and Urdu. They celebrate the festival together. What our country consists of? Historical legacy. Our country consists of historical legacy. We start as these all communities in our country have lived together for many years. A feeling of oneness has developed among them. This feeling of oneness among them leads to unity in Indian society. Now children, what marks our rich cultural heritage? Diversity. Yes, aspect in Indian society where diversity is witnessed: language, religion, culture, custom, tradition. What do you mean by coexistence? Means it acquainted us with each other's tradition, culture, way of life. This is called coexistence. What is the principle which helps to maintain religious harmony? Secularism. India is an important secular nation of the world. We have great linguistics and religious diversity in our country. No religion is recognized as the religion of our country. Everybody is free to celebrate, worship as per the religion or religion of their choice. There is no discrimination among people on the basis of the religion. Okay, we celebrate so many festivals together. There are special provisions in the constitution for the protection of religions. We are free to protect and preserve our cultural identities. So the principle of secularism has helped to maintain religious harmony in Indian society. Okay children, so we celebrate so many festivals like Holi, Diwali, Christmas, Ganesh Chaturthi. We celebrate it together. Okay children, and all are free to worship. The contribution of society is our development. What do we learn by living in a society? Yes children, what values, qualities we imbibe. So what do the word cooperation means? Cooperation. All societies are based on mutual cooperation between individual and community. Each individual has several roles and responsibilities, and duties of every role are well defined. We form bond with many peoples. What it is? That shows the unity in Indian society. Cooperation is the process of sharing and helping each other in solving problems and removing difficulties. Lack of cooperation hampers our progress. Day-to-day life will also not run smoothly. So cooperation makes interdependence in society healthier and allows inclusion of everybody in society. Now tolerance and understanding. Just as the cooperation in the society, difference in opinion, disputes and conflict. Disputes and conflict arise lack of agreement in opinion, ideas and view of the people. They are required to run the rules society smoothly. We can resolve conflict through compromise and understanding. We can resolve conflict through compromise and understanding. Conflict can end if the people make effort to understand each other and show a spirit of tolerance. An understanding attitude lead to a lot of new learning. We accept new ideas. Society provides an opportunity to learn the simple method of maintaining well-being and peace in society. An opportunity to perform different role in society. We play different role. Each individual form a bond with many peoples, and responsibilities of every role is well defined. That shows our Indian society while playing role in games at home or outside. Regulation of society. In order that society functions smoothly, some rules are required. Society was mostly regulated with the help of tradition, but in modern times, along with the tradition, laws are needed. Laws is different traditions and custom. Laws and tradition is carried out with different organizations and institutions. As we have government bodies on the local level also play an important role in process of regulation of the word diversity, the mark of our rich cultural heritage. So let's revise the given question and answer in your worksheet so that you can complete and submit it in the class. By that time, thank you.